Welcome to the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. In today's video, it is part of a monthly collaboration with the lovely Holly over at Holly's Homemade Haven. Make sure to go and check out her channel. She is just one of the sweetest people that I've come to know here on YouTube, and her recipes are amazing. So make sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist that will be provided down in the description box. So let's see what I am going to make using this Mom's Very Best Recipe Gooseberry Patch Cookbook. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel and a happy new year to all of my viewers. For those of you that are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I have some delicious recipes that I cannot wait to share with you all in this new year of 2025. Another shout out to my lovely co-host Holly over at Holly's Homemade Haven. Together we are cooking up some wonderful cookbook recipes, so make sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified too whenever I upload a new video. So this month's theme of our cookbook series is all about winter themed recipes, and I want to share with you a breakfast recipe because what way to start a cold day than with a hot breakfast. And so I'm going to be making Uncle Dave's oven pancakes from this Mom's Very Best Recipes from the Gooseberry Cookbook. So for this recipe, you are going to need 1/4 cup of butter in a 13 by 9 inch pan, and you are going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and you are going to melt the butter. Then you're going to need 4 eggs beaten, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of sugar. You can also check out my full cookbook collection series that I am going to start building in my home library, as well as cookbook recipes, reviews, as well as cookbook novels. It's a booktube channel. Check it out. I will put the link in the description box as well as on the iCard. So now while the butter is melting, you are going to add the eggs, milk, flour, and sugar to a bowl. You are going to whisk all of the ingredients until thoroughly combined. Now, this is the first time that I am trying this recipe, so I'm hoping that it will be a hit, and I cannot wait to see how this is all going to turn out because I've never really made pancakes in the oven before. So I'm really hoping that this will be a recipe that I will do more of in the future, but we will wait and see how this is all going to turn out. So the batter does seem very runny, but I've noticed that while I was waiting for the butter to melt, it started to thicken as it stood still. So I gave it another whisk, and so I'm still patiently waiting for that butter to melt. The butter has melted. Now you want to turn down the oven to 350 degrees. And so the batter is ready to be poured over the melted butter. So you want to make sure that you get all of that in there. It kind of reminds me of when I make a peach cobbler. So don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm really excited to see the turnout, but you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So here is the end result. It has a nice rise, but it's going to fall a little, not a lot. It's still going to stay nice and fluffy. The center is more of a souffle-ish type of thing for me. So the taste is there. I love the taste. The texture, it's the texture for me that's a little bit, you know, I don't know. I was just wrestling with it. I think that even adding the powdered sugar, for me, this needs like fruit to kind of balance it off, or some fruit filling. But either way, it does make a great, you know, not a great, but it does make a good addition to a brunch or breakfast meal, especially for the winter theme. So that's it, y'all. Make sure to check out the playlist. Make sure to check out Holly, and I will catch you in the next video.